Here I'm in Plaza Low Yat in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's well known for electronic items. I'm here to look for a selfie stick, and I'm not sure whether they sell, but I'm going to try asking. It's a tip to go to the upper floor to check out the prices, because normally the price at level one is more expensive. So now I'm going on the way to level two now, and here we are, guys. Firstly, I see Samsung in front of me, and the brands, oh, they are GoPro and Asus laptops. Money changer in front. Many shops here and customers. Now it's 9 p.m. at Plaza Low Yat. They close at 10. Maybe here they sell. I found a shop selling selfie stick, but that's not the model I like. And the price is in 9 ringgit. And over here they have other shops. They sell iPads as well. Used handphones, Canon. They even sell GoPro here. Lots of second handphones and laptops. Oh, I see some good selfie sticks there. Let's check out. So selfie stick, but the price is really expensive, up to 300 ringgit. There's a premium product, Poco. Poco, I use their USB cable for charging iPhone, and it's good. Oh, there's handphone holders over here, and lots of cable over there. Yeah. I've asked two shops already, but the price is two to about 300 ringgit expensive. I'm going up one more floor. The paying like 300 ringgit for selfie stick is the price is too high. I think good price will be around 50 or 40 to 60 ringgit is acceptable. Here it is level 2. Maybe it is the same shop as level 2, but I think it's a good selfie stick. It seems that the selfie stick prices are a bit overpriced in this Plaza Low Yat. I was quoted 89 ringgit for two selfie stick. Going to look for more selfie stick now. And I saw in front there's some. Now it's level 2, selling mostly laptop. And most of the shops going to close because it's 9:30 already. And this top floor, they have a small cafe here selling frozen snacks and some bread for abang adik kopitiam. This is a final shop. Let's see. Bright SNR. I'm not sure whether it's self or selfie. This is a view from the top of Plaza Low Yat. And accordingly is the Malaysia's largest IT lifestyle mall, and it has entered the Malaysia Book of Records. Right here at level 4, and I'm taking the lift now to level 1. Seems to be a few more shops here, and there's even KFC. think mostly clothes again. Oh, yeah, laptops. Oh yeah. The kind of Lenovo laptops. This is a basement of Plaza Low Yat. Supposed to have many food eateries here. Kong He Tang or Kong Won Tong is famous for its herbal drinks and supplements. Oh, and key chicken. Toast coffee, there's a Watson. ATM in front. Cocoa lights and some drinks. Coffee and tea. Sun. And there's a food court area. It's called Food City. Uh, it's now 9:45 p.m. And let's see whether they have any stores that are open. That's I love Malaysia. And that's a beautiful project painting of the Malaysia's national dish, the nasi lemak with its chicken, of course, the boiled eggs, cucumber, and the anchovies, peanuts, and of course the chili. Oh, that's Plaza Low Yat, guys. Oh, there's a Burger King on the left.